Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about point-slope form. This is a great algebra lesson designated for grades 8 and 9. These are math tutorials where you can learn math fast and easily. So let's suppose in a test you get the question, create an equation for the line that is marked by the points listed above, 3, 8 and 7, 16. You're scratching your head in frustration because you do not know how to solve it. Well, today I'll be discussing point-slope form, an easy and efficient strategy to solve these type of problems. Before we begin, we should know that the x1 value is 3 and the x2 value is 7 and the y1 value is 8 and the y2 value is 16. This will be really helpful when we're determining the slope of our equation. So what is point-slope form? These are the steps that are leading to solving our problem using point-slope form. First, we need to find the slope, or m. M is equal to the change in y over the change in x, or y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Then we need to apply the point-slope formula, which is y minus y1 is equal to m parentheses x minus x1. Solve and you will have your equation. Hooray! So let's apply the point-slope formula in the problem that we were given previously. The slope of this line is 2 because the y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 comes down to 2. 16 minus 8 divided by 7 minus 3 is 2. We will now input the slope into the point-slope equation. Y minus y1 is equal to 2 parentheses x minus x1. We also know that the y1 value is 8 and the x1 value is 3. So now we have y minus 8 is equal to 2 parentheses x minus 3. On the right hand side, we will distribute the 2 among the x minus 3. So now we have y minus 8 is equal to 2x minus 6. Then we add 8 to both sides of the equation, and we finally have our solution, y equals to 2x plus 2. This is the linear equation slope-intercept form for the line that is marked by the points 3, 8 and 7, 16. Our problem is solved by using a quick and efficient strategy. So the equation to remember from this lesson is y minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus x1. This is the point-slope formula. Using point-slope formula is only one of the many ways to discover the slope-intercept equation of linear data. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and like the video for more videos and more learning. Once again, thank you for watching.